Welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn how to download and install UiPath Studio. Firstly, open any web browser like Chrome browser and search cloud.uipath.com. After that, you navigate to this page as you can see. So here, if you have already account, then go with the Google. Like I'm clicking I'm signing with the Google account. So I'm clicking here. So if you have already account, then you can try with your account. If you don't have account, then use to another click here, use another account and create your account. So I have already account, so I'm clicking on my account. So as you can see, my here two I have two accounts. So I'm going with the first account, Raju Ranjan Kumar. So guys, the page is open. So in this page, you can see there is one button, download a studio. So you click on that button and download the studio. So I'm clicking here. So you can see here downloading is started. After a few minutes it's downloaded. Then we go to the how can you install that. So wait for a few seconds. So it's downloading completed. So I open that folder where it's downloaded. So you can see here the installer of UiPath Studio. So I'm for installing this software, double click on so after that you click on the run button. So as you can see here, one pop-up is coming. So in this pop-up window, there is two options: quick quick recommendation for community user and custom recommended for enterprise. So we are going with the community user. So I'm selecting the first. If you are purchasing the license, then you can try the other. So I'm going with the first and select the term and condition. Ac- Accept the term and condition and click on install. So as you can see installation process is started. So it's taking a few minutes. So wait sometimes. After install, I will show you